Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn how to use conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel. So we use conditional formatting if we want to customize, display text, or perform specific action for a particular condition. So a conditional format changes the appearance of cells on the basis of conditions that we specify. So in our case, let's specify that our condition is that we have to change the color for the word fail. So first, we need to open Microsoft Excel and input our data. So as you can see here in my worksheet, I already have my data. So it would be very redundant and actually tiresome for us to change individually the colors for the word fail. So instead, we use conditional formatting. So first, we have to highlight the range of values that we want to implement a certain conditional formatting. So in this case, I highlighted the remarks column. So from K1 up until to K11. So after that, we click Home. And then we go to Conditional Formatting. And then we go to Highlight Cells Rules. And then we go to Equal to. Because in this case, we want those values that are equal to the word fail need to be in a different kind of format. So after we click Equal to, this dialog box will appear. So first, we type in the value. So the cells should be equal to the word fail. And then, if we don't want this default action, which is to fill in the cells with light red color and dark red text, then we can proceed to click this drop down arrow to see more options. So here we see a set of options, and if none of this appeal to you, then we can just click the custom format so we can create our own formatting for the text. So after we click custom format, this dialog box will appear. So in this case, I want the word fail to appear in bold and it should be in red color. So I choose bold here and then I choose the red color here. And then I am satisfied with this kind of formatting, so I proceed to click OK. Then to finally apply our format, we click OK. So as we see in here, all those values with the word fail are now in bold red text formatting. Easy, right? To recap, here is a short demo of what we just did. Please watch. Well done! You can explore more of the conditional formatting feature on your own and apply the desired formatting that you want. It just depends on you. Hit the like and the subscribe button if this video helped you a lot. See you in the next video.